Hello students, welcome to the class 4th subject English. Our unit 1, the world around us. Okay students, let's see activity 4 in textbook page number 3. Now see, here one empty box is given. In this box you have to write eco-friendly words. And also, as you can see, near the box there are 3 pictures are given. In the first picture, what will you see? A person is cleaning. In the second picture, a person is planting a tree. And the third picture, a person is giving water to the plant. So from these pictures you have to write eco-friendly words. So students, what is the meaning of eco-friendly? Eco-friendly means earth friendly. Otherwise you can say that not harmful for our environment. So students, we have to write here few eco-friendly words in the given box. So let's see, we can write here first cleaning, second plantation, third watering, fourth save water, fifth gardening, sixth greenery, seventh pollution free, and the last one 8 recycle. All these words are eco-friendly words. Okay students, we have written here recycle. So recycle means the things which we can use again and again. It is called recycle. So there are so many things that we can recycle. For example, fabric clothes, reusable water bottles, and etc. If we use all these things, so we can make our environment pollution free. Okay students, now let's continue our next topic, the fading glory of the earth. The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. It was one of the first attempts to make people aware of the Earth's depleting environmental resources and increasing pollution levels. Okay students, when do we celebrate the Earth Day? Your answer is we celebrate the Earth Day on 22nd April. And why do we celebrate it on 22nd April? It is just a program to make people aware that on this day, especially that we have to take care of our Mother Earth. Why? Because as pollution is increasing day by day, we need to take care of also of the earth, because we are still living on the earth. So students, 22nd अप्रैल को अर्थ डे मनाया जाता है. It was one of the first attempts to make people aware of the earth's depleting environmental resources and increasing pollution level. So students, अर्थ डे 22nd अप्रैल को क्यों मनाया जाता है? ये एक अटेम्प्ट किया गया कि लोगों को अवेयर किया जाए, जागरूक करने के लिए कि अर्थ का जो एनवायरमेंटल रिसोर्सेज है वो किस तरह से पॉल्यूशंस की वजह से जो इंक्रीज़ हो रहा है पॉल्यूशन लेवल, उसकी वजह से जो अर्थ की नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है वो डिप्लेटिंग मतलब वो रिडक्शन हो रही है. तो उसे बचाने के लिए पीपल को, सारे लोगों को जागरूक करने के लिए, अवेयर करने के लिए प्रोग्राम बनाया गया. The celebration of the Earth Day in 1992 was made memorable by an international conference held in Brazil. ये एक जो अर्थ डे जो सेलिब्रेशन किया जाता है 1992 में एक कॉन्फ्रेंस, इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस रखी गई थी ब्राज़ील में, जो एक मेमोरेबल, जो बहुत ही यादगार रह चुकी है. The leaders of many countries attended this event and it led to a new movement to preserve the earth's resources in both big and small ways. So there was a conference on this day in Brazil and all the countries' leaders present in the conference, and they decided that by doing certain programs, big and small, we have to make all the people aware of preserving our earth, means preserving our resources and making our environment more green and green. Okay, now move to the next. People across the world take up a number of activities like tree plantation, awareness camps on environment related topics, pollution reduction camps, and many more. So we can say that the World Earth Day is a time for a people around the globe to support the environmental protection movement. So students, on this day 22nd April every year, now people have made it a point to carry out certain programs like tree plantation, as we have heard that in many societies, many people and many institutions, they can carry out programs of planting trees, and all around 100 trees, 500 trees, etc. So students, 22nd अप्रैल को जब अर्थ डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है हर साल, तब उसमें जो जितने भी सारे लोग हैं वो कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं लाइक ट्री प्लांटेशंस. ओके, वी हैव टू प्लांटिंग मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज एंड अवेयरनेस कैंप्स ऑन एनवायरनमेंट रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स. एनवायरनमेंट को किस तरह से प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं उसके लिए अवेयरनेस कैंप्स रखे जाते हैं. पॉल्यूशन रिडक्शन कैंप्स, पॉल्यूशन को किस तरह से हम डिक्रीजिंग कर सकते हैं इसके कैंप्स रखे जाते हैं. इस तरह की बहुत सारी ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ की जाती है लाइक स्कूल्स, इंस्टीट्यूशंस में ट्रीज प्लांटेशन किए जाते हैं, 100 ट्रीज, 500 ट्रीज. सो सर्टेन प्रोग्राम्स आर कंडक्टेड, अवेयरनेस कैंप्स, पीपल आर मेड अवेयर about where certain lectures are given that what we should do to make our environment green, and it is discussed how to reduce pollution, how pollution can be reduced, like use less vehicles. Okay, where you can go walking, no need of using vehicles. We can walk and it can be healthy for you also, and less consumption of petrol, and so on. Such programs are conducted and people are made aware that how to protect on our mother earth. Okay students, सो वर्ल्ड अर्थ के दिन इस तरह से अवेयरनेस कैंप्स रखे जाते हैं, ट्रीज प्लांटेशंस किए जाते हैं ताकि लोगों में अवेयरनेस आ जाए, लोग जागरूक हो जाए हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, उसे पॉल्यूशन फ्री बनाने के लिए. So in short, we can say that the World Earth Day is a time for people around the globe to support the environment. Okay students, now let's see workbook exercises from this paragraph. Let's see the paragraph number 6 from workbook page number 7. The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. It was one of the first attempts to make people aware of the Earth's depleting environmental resources and increasing pollution levels. So here the first exercise is write true or false. Your question is, The Earth Day is celebrated on 12th April. No, it is wrong. The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. So you have to write here false. Now the second exercise is filling the blank. The question is, the Earth's blank levels are increasing. Your answer is, the Earth's pollution levels are increasing. Now the third exercise is, write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box given. Your question is, the blank is celebrated on 22nd April. Your answer is D, Earth Day. The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. Now move to the next paragraph 7. The celebration of the Earth Day in 1992 was made memorable by an international conference held in Brazil. The leaders of many countries attended this event and it led to a new movement to preserve the Earth's resources in both big and small ways. So here the exercise is, give the meaning of the following word. To preserve. So the meaning of the to preserve means to save. Okay students, to save for the future, conserve. So you have to write here to save. Now move to the next paragraph 8. People across the world take up a number of activities like tree plantation, awareness camps on environment related topics, pollution reduction camps and many more. So we can say that the World Earth Day is a time for people around the globe to support the environmental protection movement. Your question is, name any 2 activities done on World Earth Day. Your answer is, first, tree plantation and second, pollution reduction camps.